there, I've got a beautiful woven heart card today to share with you, and we're going to be using the new Alice die for the background, and there's some fun things you can do with that, so I'll share with that as we go along. I am using the Thanks from the Noble expressions. This is one of our larger shadowed expressions. This is the woven heart, and this is the Alice die. Okay, it's one of our layering dies. So what I've done ahead of time is I've actually cut the Alice die a couple of times. So there's two pieces. There's a topper piece, and this is a secondary piece here. Now what I've done is I've gone ahead and cut two of that piece in white. Now what's really fun about this die is because you have alternating open areas with some slat areas, you can mix and match them. So what I'm going to do is put these two together to kind of fill it in so they're going all different directions. So I'm going to use a little bit of spray glue on the back here and pop that right over the top. So you can just sort of create all sorts of different patterns with this, which is quite fun. Okay. Now what I want to do is sort of soften that so it just becomes something more in the background. So I've cut a piece of vellum to size. I'm just going to add a little bit of glue on the corners here. And I find with Cosmic Shimmer glue, if you just put a little bit on and then just sort of wipe it flat with your finger, then you don't get an area that shows through the vellum very well. Okay, I'll put a little bit here and here. All right, so I'm going to pop that right on the top. Just line that up. There we go. Okay, so now I've got more of a softened background. So next thing we're going to do is going to bring in the top piece, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut this into a piece of coconut white card. And tell you what, let me just have a piece of tape to make sure it doesn't move about. Okay. Now this has a cutting edge on it, so you get a really nice grid pattern from that already. So I'm going to pop that over the top of this, a little bit of spray glue on it. Okay, and just lay that down in the corners, catch the edge, and it'll line up really nicely with your sort of checkerboard pattern coming through from the Alice. Okay, like that. Now what I also want to do is add a little bit of a backing to this. So I'm going to just add a piece of white card behind it, and I will use a bit of, I think I'll just use some regular glue on this. Go. Pop that right on the back. It should line up nicely. Okay. Give it a quick thing. So get it all nice and stuck down. So I'm going to go ahead and work from the back upwards. So I'm going to create my background. I've got a slightly larger piece of coconut white card here, and I'll give you a quick measurement. I have a 5 1/4 inch square, yes. So I'm going to bring in some double-sided tape on this, go around the edge, just sort of grab the edge there, and let me just find the edge of the tape, give it a light press into that. I like to get a piece that's larger so I can hold on to it. There we go. Pop that down, light press. The very edges of that. Okay. And this last side. There we go. Light press to that. Take my scissors. I'm going to trim away the extra bits around the edge on one side. And then take those off and then turn and use the edge of the card to do the other overlap pieces. Okay, there we go. Bring in a piece of copy paper. I'm going to use some ice snow on this. This is a chunkier glitter, but it's a white glitter. It's very, very pretty. It's one of my favorites. But it really catches the eye. It's got so much sparkle to it. go. You can see, just love the way that looks. So let me just tip this back into the container. There we go. Pop that to the side. I'm going to bring in my backing. And I've used some Old Rose. We're going to get to that in a moment, one of the newer cardstock colors. And a white paper pierced edge. Pop that down into place. There we go. I'll use a couple pieces of mounting foam here. I'm going to raise this up a little bit. There we go. Put that right into place in the middle. Now, what I've gone ahead and done is I've used the woven heart here. So the woven heart has an inside piece and an outside piece, but there's not a center cut edge. So if you want to create a heart, what we can do is take a couple pieces of card here. I'm going to put a white one on top of the Old Rose, and the Old Rose is the color I want. So I'm going to lay that down, and let me move this pieces off my cutting plate. I'm going to lay that down. I'm going to run it through on the cut sandwich just one time. You've got two pieces of card there, so it's a bit thicker. You don't want to run it back a second time. Just make sure you do it just one time. Okay. I'm going to pop that over, and then just carefully lift up the pieces of card together and check the back. See, you've got a little bit of cut area on this that went all the way through. So what I want to do is just put a bit of tape over that so it doesn't go any further. Okay. And tape up my back pieces, and I think I'll just do one more down here. Now, I've got another one I can use for another card, and I want to, let's see, let me just find something. Nip these off, okay? So those are the fall away from the white piece, okay? But now I have a perfectly embossed area there, so I'm just going to cut this heart out with some scissors right along that cut line. Super easy. Go all the way around. Oops. I'm just cutting a little bit into that edge. Okay. And just make sure I've got it trimmed close enough. Okay. So now I can bring in my heart. I'm going to add a little bit of spray glue to the back. I've already put some pretty pearls on it. And I can seat that right over the same pattern. So I can have that really pretty pink showing through there. Give that a second to get set up. Let's move some of these out of the way. Pop that back onto our magnetic sheet, and I want to add a little bit of mounting foam on the back here. Like that. Oops. Like that. And I think I'll raise it up just a little bit higher, so we'll do one more piece. Since it's the focal element, we'll give it just an element of height to it. So I'm going to pop this into place, kind of on a jaunty angle, about like that. There we go. And I've gone ahead and cut the thanks. It's the shadowed thanks. So I've done a white one with a black shadow, and then I put it onto a white shadow behind it. And I've got extra mounting foam on the edge to have it sit off the edge of that heart. So let's just peel this off and seat that right like that. There we go. So pretty. Isn't that lovely? I just think anybody would love to have a card like that. Hope you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to look at our YouTube channel and like and subscribe.